Hi everyone, it's Joe, and I'm going to be destashing some of my items that I sold at the craft fair since I don't have any other craft fairs going on till this year. So I'm going to be selling them in lots, and in the ones you're going to get 4 of the kids kits, 3 bookmarks that are laminated. 4 albums, which are the pocket albums. There'll be one that is recipe one. One will be a color me one, and then there'll be 2 others. There'll also be 1 mini journal and a couple of assorted items that I will just kind of stuff in there. And then there's going to be a regular size journal in there too, which is either laminated, most of them are laminated, or have a nice firm covering on them. So that's what I'm going to do. They're going to sell for $35, and I think that I can fit this into a box that's the size that costs like $13 to mail. I'm pretty sure they'll fit in that. So let me go through a couple of things now. Each one of the lots, there will be 2 lots. Each one of them will be a little different as far as design is concerned, but let me start off first with what these pocket albums are going to look like. So what they are is, and these things are all packaged, ready to go. These were very, very good sellers for me. I had tons of them, but obviously I made too many. Anyway, so they open up like this, and then there are pages inside, and then each page has a pocket, and then each one has, I think, probably 2 of these like journaling cards or tags. So put this back inside here. Get in there. I can't see from my angle. Please excuse my voice today. I've had a sinus infection, and I've gotten kind of hoarse, so to speak, which probably makes my husband extremely happy. Anyway, so, and then again, there's another pocket over here, another page. And keep in mind that each one of these will be different. Most of them do have themes. This one happens to be the beach one. This one is not going in a package unless somebody absolutely requests it. And so again, here's some more tags, pockets, more pockets and more pages. And then we come to the back page. So it comes in, it's already got the rings in it. And I'll show you what they're going to look like into the first packet. All right. Let me get these out here. Now, when I said that they'll each have a color me one, the color me ones look kind of like this. They each have different designs, but you can, when you open them up, there's the same thing as decorations and pockets, but the pages also have places where they can be colored. So these are kind of fun, and people really liked these. I sold a pretty good amount of those. And here's another one that is a beach one, beach theme. A little bit different from the last one. Whoops, upside down. Yeah, there you go. You see it's got the rings on it. It's got the tassels and things on it. And this one here is a travel one. Love to travel. And again, it's all packaged up. So it comes like that. It's got the rings and it's got the decorations on them. And then this is a Christmas one. Again, it's got the tags and all in it and the rings. And these are all put together, ready to go. All you have to do is put them out on your desk and sell them. You may have to explain to people what they are. These did very well. These are the recipe ones. And what's nice about these recipe ones is that they have a ton of recipe cards in them, so that people don't have to be looking for recipe cards. So This is how this one is packaged. And like I said, these were popular, especially the recipe ones. People like to give those at Christmas time, I guess. So those are the pocket albums that will be in the first lot. Also in that lot will be these kits, and I don't want to take them apart. You can go up online and see people making them. If you want one of these, if you want the directions to these, I'll try to find the directions on how to make them. But boy, these were very good sellers. In mine, I have a pencil sharpener and a pencil. There's 4 crayons, which are packaged. There is, in the back, there are a set of 2, actually 4 complete pages of coloring book. I think it's Mickey Mouse. And they have a writing pad. They also have stickers, and they have a fancy little paper clip on them. And all of them have, not necessarily the same, but they all have the same type of things inside them. So here's one of the Christmas ones. There'll be 4 total of these. And here's one done in kind of a zoo type. Sometimes when you're at these craft fairs, the parents have their kids with them and they want to get them a little something, or they want to use it for a stocking or whatever. So your pencil sharpener and crayons and pages and stickers all in here. This is kind of a nice one. This is kind of a foil paper. Oh yes, and some of them have these little foam stickies in them. I think most of them have foam stickies in them. And they're kind of cute. The kids like to play with those because they're sticky on the back and they can undo them and put them on things. So I tried to make designs that would be good for boys, good for girls, and then some that would be just good for whomever. Nice to take in the car with you. So you'll be getting 4 of those. And there will be one mini journal. And these are laminated. You open them up and they have a little pocket in them and a card in them, a tag. And then the books have been decorated to match it. And there are a total of 2 books in there and a decorative paper clip. And of course your closing for it. The next is, these are laminated bookmarks. All different shapes and sizes and colors. I was surprised these went really well. I guess I read on a reader, but I guess people still read books and they like the bookmarks. So I sold those for $1 a piece. And here is a regular size journal. Now I call these poor man's journals because most journals, you know, $25, $35, $45, $50, whatever. Okay, we're going to have to stop this for 1 minute. Okay, we're back. So this is the journal that you will be receiving, and it will have, this is the full-size journal, and it has, of course, the closure on it. It's made from the vinyl placemats, and it's really nice and sturdy. So it has a pocket here, and then it has 3 signatures in it. This one here, this one here, and this one here. And then again another pocket. It does have the pen, and then it's got a fancy paper clip. So there will be one of these in the package. And I'm going to, as I mentioned in the beginning, try to do this so that I can get it into a box that's going to be big enough for everything but the least expensive. And I think probably that's the $13 one. So it's $35 plus the shipping. So I will put some more information below. and I will be doing another video very soon here on the second lot that we will be selling with different designs. So thanks for joining me, and I hope that you enjoyed this video.